In 2026, if you are running a Discord server, then you may need some bot. Okay, so when I mean bot, that means some automation that you may need to grow your server rapidly. Okay, so let me show you the demonstration first, and then I'll show you exactly how we can manage our Discord server properly with the custom built app. Okay, so first of all, here one of our Discord server you can see, and in this server when someone join, then automatically they get a welcome message. You can see all the members joined here and they get the welcome message this, and also it showed them the number count. Okay, the number of members is welcome them. You can make this text customizable as you need. Okay, so this is the feature that actually the bot I am going to show you that actually sent. Okay, so and the second thing, you may need some kind of support bot in your Discord server, like when you are running your apps or your business inside the community, I mean the Discord community, then you may need the ticket open system. Okay, so when someone click on it, then it will automatically create a ticket. Yeah, you can see the ticket will be created, and then you can get the ticket as a individual personal one-to-one server. Okay, the channel, and you can reply them the way it actually need. Okay, this is the second feature. And then uh, when you running a Discord server, you may want to sell something right inside it, so that's why you may need to create this type of application bot. Okay, like when someone want to purchase your service right inside the Discord, they can do it. Like you create your product, you connect your Stripe or the cryptocurrency payment gateway you want to use, and then you can just set up this type of panel right inside the Discord server. Okay, so here you can see when I click this button, this will show you all the packages and everything I have, and it's directly connected to the Stripe. When someone try to click, okay, then they will redirect to the Stripe checkout page, and they can complete their checkout, and they can purchase your product or services whatever you're selling. Okay, like this. So how we can do this affordable way? Okay, so the minimum time consuming system and very easy to set up. Okay, so let me show you step by step. So here we have an app called Power Kits. When we go to the dashboard, let me show you here. You can see here we have connected one Discord server. Okay, all you just need to click this button to connect your server. Okay, this add to server button, and then just go to the server. Once it's connected, it will have the full dashboard, like the overview. You can see everything, the overview page, then the welcome message that I showed you earlier. You can customize and set up your welcome message, right? Like you just need to choose the channel, or which channel you want to show them the welcome. In this example, I set up the invite channel. Okay, here is it, and you can change all the text and everything from here, and you can change the color. You can add the image URL if you want to show the thumbnail. Okay, you can rename the bot, as well as you can change the bot image URL, like profile URL, like this one. Okay, so you can change this name as well as this image as you need, and then just click save. Okay, so once you complete the setup, just send test will come, and it will just post you into the uh, server. Okay, and make sure you have the proper permission, like it already have all the permission you needed listed here. So just connect the bot and give this bot the permission to the specific channel, and then you can use it. Okay, so then we have another feature called goodbye. So when someone leave your channel, okay, the Discord channel, then you can set a goodbye message for them. Okay, so this is another feature. And for the product, okay, so here you can see you can create product. Okay, like this way, like your product name, description, price. You can sell monthly or one time price. Okay, it can be monthly recurring, okay, or the anytime period you actually want, like daily, weekly, monthly, or yearly, whatever way you want to sell. Okay, and then create the product. Okay, before create the product, you need to integrate with your Stripe account or the crypto payment gateway. Okay, so for now we have the Stripe checkout option. Here you can see, here we have Stripe account connected, just using the API key. Okay, and then you can create product. So once you create product, you need to select the Stripe card or the crypto, the way you actually want to sell your product. Okay, so once that done, then you need to create the purchase panel. So okay, the purchase panel is something like I showed you earlier here. Let me close this one. Here is the purchase panel. Okay, so this channel has this buy button as well as the description of your product, and once someone click on it, then that will show them the buy button directly inside the same channel. Okay, so here the setup is like you pick the channel. Okay, you can see once you connect your bot with your Discord channel, Discord server, then you will see all the channels here, and you need to select the channel, and then you can change the color as well, and also put the title of your card and the description, and then you can set up the browse update, like how many minutes later it will be automatically disappeared, or how many minutes later it will be disappeared once someone paid successfully. Okay, so you just need to choose the product. You can have multiple product into the same purchase panel, or you can have one product. It's up to you. Then you can choose the thumbnail of the product. Also, you if you want to grant roles, then you can do this. Okay, and you can send the confirm message as well as the cancel message. If someone just complete the purchase successfully, then they will see the message. And also if someone just cancel the payment without complete the uh, payment, then you will see send them the cancel message here. Okay, and also you can show them the support ticket option, like when someone purchases your product and you want them to contact you by opening a support ticket, then you can just click this check mark. It will work like that. Okay, and this way you can set up your full purchase panel. Okay, like the one I just showed you here. Okay, so there's the another feature, and also we have some other cool feature like ticket. Okay, we have the option to see all the tickets created, and the automation. Okay, so there are two important features here. The automation, so like let's say for example in your Discord server, you have a channel where you want to just send the automated message for a certain amount of time, like let's say for email marketing. What we can do, like inside the email marketing, we can schedule the email, and it's sent time to time the selected date, right? So you can do the same thing here. All you just need to create a campaign, choose the channel where you want to post automatically based on your schedule, and then you can set the number of messages you want to add, like just click add message. Okay, and then you can choose the time, you can put the message here. Okay, and also if you want to add the button, then you can also do that. Okay, you can also embed things like your images or the content as you need. Okay, so this way you can actually set up the automated message into a channel. Okay, we have another feature called drip DM. Okay, so this is another powerful feature. Like let's say for example in email marketing, what we do, so when someone subscribe to our email list or the sign up form, then we send them a welcome message, right? And also by the time we also send them some follow-up messages. So you can do exactly same thing right inside your Discord server by using the drip DM. So here how it works, you just need to set the drip DM, and once you set up that, then you can also add messages. So let's say for first message is the welcome message, they will get immediately. Okay, and then you add more messages like this. Okay, so and you can set how many days or minutes after they will get the message, like immediately, which is the uh, option for your welcome message. Let's say, for example, when someone join, you send them immediately and welcome message, and 5 minutes later or 1 minute later or 1 day later, 3 days, 7 days, 14 days, or 30 days later, you want to send them more messages. Okay, so this way you can just set up a personal DM for your customer or your potential subscriber for your Discord server. Okay, and they will keep getting all those messages. Okay, so this is actually perfect setup if you want to make the automation. Okay, this is very powerful because a lead nurturing is very important. So when someone join your channel, you keep them sending the DM by using this bot. Okay, so this bot is already using by this server. You can see here, here's one of our server, and we successfully using this, and our community is growing. We are sending the automated message as well as the drip DM. Okay, and everything is working just. And the best thing is you can integrate your Stripe account as well as your Coinbase account if you accept the cryptocurrency for your product. Okay, so this is a complete solution. You don't need to have multiple different bot installed into your Discord server to manage all of those things. Okay, so we have powered all those very important and record feature for every single Discord bot that actually want to grow very fast. Okay, so I think you get the idea how this can work. And also, if you want to get this application, the bot, then all you just need to go to the app.powerkits.net. You will get the link into the description of this video. Just come here, and our pricing is very affordable. Like if I want to show you, let me, yeah, here is it. So it's $9.99 per month. Okay, and also if you subscribe yearly, then it's $8.33. But for the member of our Discord server, we also offer them a discounted price. Okay, so let's say, for example, here, if I click, you can see it's monthly $4.99. You can see once I clicked. Okay, we also offering a lifetime deal for $67. So once you just purchase this deal, then you will use forever for all of your Discord server, and you can also subscribe for monthly $4.99 dollar. Okay, $4.99, and you can use this Discord bot on any of your server you have. Okay, we don't have any number of limitation, number of messages, or any other limitation. Everything is unlimited and is to use. Okay, so hope you get the idea how this Discord bot actually works. So if you're one want to growing your Discord server rapidly, then these bots is must have for you. Okay, so thank you very much for watching this video. Have a nice day.